Today is Friday, January 10, 2025. I purchased an ice pure water filter to use with my existing system faucet, and I just installed it this morning. It was quite simple and straightforward. The only part that was a little complicated was I needed to go to Home Depot and purchased one of these adapters so that way it would be able to work with my existing water filter faucet on top of my counter. But it's quite easy and simple, and it fits nicely under the sink. This is a very easy to install water filter, and hopefully it will provide me with 3 years of good quality water.